welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today's video is in collaboration with ISEE Hair Company. They sent me over another half wig, so let's get into it. I know I've been MIA for Free the Forehead for the last 2 weeks, y'all, but we are back and we are better. My niece graduated last week, so that's why I did not have time to... Let me just get into it real quick. Last week, my niece graduated from high school. Congratulations once again to my niece Anye. She graduated from Pleasantville. Y'all, I am not good with names, but she graduated from Pleasantville High School. I'm so proud of her. But I decided to take a week off because I went to go visit my family, which is getting back into routine. So I did not get to get another video out for you guys. But anyway, that is besides the point. We are back with another Free the Forehead episode. I believe this is episode 6. So we are back. And the wig that I am going to be installing for you guys today is from ISEE Hair Company.
Sometimes I'll be okay. So when I call your way, can you swing my way?
So guys, they sent me over another half wig. Like I told y'all, this is their Kinky straight textured half wig. Y'all, this came in 18 inches. So it's not super long, which we love because I really want this install to look extremely natural. So guys, just like the other half wig that I reviewed for them, this does come with a drawstring in the back. So it'll make sure that it fits any and all head sizes, as well as combs all around the perimeter of the wig. So I already prepped my hair, y'all. I have my hair sectioned off. The front is going to be my leave out and the back is going to be tucked away underneath of that wig. So I just had like a little ponytail bun type of thingy in the back, y'all. I washed my hair specifically for this video. So I washed it, blow dried it, and just pushed it back into a little bun. And I just sectioned off the front part of my hair. So let's get into it. If you have not seen any of my other half wig install videos, these are some of the easiest wigs that you can use. Like honestly, easiest wigs you can use. Since my hair is already prepped, you can put braids in your hair if you want, but I decided not to do braids. I just decided to do the ponytail because it's a lot easier for me. I am going to go ahead and install this girly. The comb at the top of this wig is going to go right at the top of my head. Right where I sectioned off my leave out, I'm putting that as close to it as possible. And then I'm just pulling down the other parts of the wig where those combs are, and I'm just pushing those right into my hair. That is how easy it was. I'm gonna get up close so you guys can see what the parting space looks like. So just like the other wigs, y'all, instead of the weft showing at the top, they do like this invisible weft type of thing. And basically what they do is they just take the hair and they flip it over the weft. So the weft of the track is not showing when you install it. It just looks so much more natural, y'all. It really does. And it blends with our hair a lot better. Honestly, y'all, this would actually be a cute hairstyle, like the little crown braid in the front and the hair in the back. That would actually be kind of cute, I'm not gonna lie, but that's not what we're here for, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead now and take out my leave out and see just how well it blends with this texture.
I've got one question, my lord, my question is, are you here to stay? I know that you will, 'cause you never...
If if y'all say this does not look like it could be my real hair, what I say before, I'ma just say you a hater. If you say that this does not look like it's growing out of my scalp, I'm just going to assume that you're a hater. Look how well that blends. Just imagine once I actually get it together, it's gonna look so good. Look how nicely that blends. Seamlessly. Okay. All right, y'all. Now let's really get it together because it looks good now. But let's really get it together. Okay. What I'm gonna do first is I'm going to press this texture just a little bit, and I'm gonna go ahead and curl my hair. I am gonna speed up this process, y'all, because I have so many videos on how to straighten the hair and curl it, so I'm not gonna get too much into that. Y'all will see. Just watch.
You know I preach it, one in a never can never be repeated. So my will has gotta be completed, but your word it never is defeated.
Y'all, it is so hot outside, and inside my apartment is so cold. But anyway, I am about to go ahead and curl this hair up. Let's get into it.
Yeah, I'm just trying to get close to you. As your child, that's something I'm supposed to do. When you walk in the room, I notice you. I notice you.
I just wanna know where we go from here. I don't want this love to just disappear. Lord, I need you to feel this atmosphere. I need all your love. I need all your love. Covered in the blood, demons can't come near. You turned it all around when life looks severe. In my heart, I know that you're always here. I need all your love. I need all your love.
Since we're getting closer to the top of the head, I'm just gonna go ahead and straighten the front of my hair now. That way I don't have to come back and do it later.
How to get my mind right? How to get my soul right? Set my soul in a fight. Please just have some patience with me. Please just have some patience with me. I'm just trying to right my wrongs.
Y'all, I do want to note, this might be like the 6th or 7th time that I've worked with ISEE Hair Company, and their wigs always smell really good. So as you guys know, I usually install my wigs right out of the box, so you guys can see what the wigs will look like right out of the box if you purchase it. And you don't know how to do much. I usually do like the more beginner friendly installs for you guys. Long story short, right out of the box, ISEE Hair Company's wigs always smell so good. Like, I don't know what it is or what they put in it, but if you've ever used like silicone mix, their wigs just have like a smell kind of like silicone mix. And I'm not sure if they pre-wash it and decondition their wigs with silicone mix before sending them to us. I don't know. But all I'm gonna say is that their wigs smell so good.
All I'm asking for is some patience. I don't recall
Alright guys, so I finished up curling my entire head, and now we are going to get into the final look. I'm going to take my curls down, and then I'm just going to fix my edges a little bit, and we're going to see how this looks. I pinned this hair up while I was curling it, so the final reveal to you guys is also the final reveal for me. So let's go ahead and start taking these pins out and see how these curls are looking. I definitely wanted it to be like a really loose and effortless, natural looking curl. I didn't want anything too tight, so I didn't curl the hair too tight. But yeah, y'all, Let's just see how it turns out. Y'all, this looks so bomb already, and I didn't even pull the curls out. I didn't even pull the curls out yet. What I'm gonna do is go ahead and take a little bit of my volumizing spray, and I'm gonna spray this in the hair for a little bit of volume in the roots before I comb it out. This looks so stinking cute. This looks so stinking cute. I do have to get my real hair together underneath there, but for the moment I am tucking it so you guys can see just how bomb this looks. What y'all think? What do you guys think about this? What y'all think about this? Before I go in and do anything else, y'all tell me what y'all think about this. I love it. If I said I didn't love it, I'd be lying, y'all. I love how natural this looks. Look at this. I love how natural this looks. Honestly, y'all, I would not be myself. I wouldn't be Tia if I did not go in and add some layers to this hair. So in the front, as you guys can see, my real hair is a lot shorter than the wig. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go ahead and start to add a little bit of a layer in there. Nothing too much, but I want it to flow. I hope I'm not cutting my hair. I hope I'm not cutting my hair. Y'all, is this not like the cutest, most natural looking install that I think I've ever done on my channel? Like, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get my leave out together and do a little bit of edges, fix my edges up a little bit, and then we'll pretty much be done. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. Y'all, it looks so natural. It looks so bomb. Honestly, I expected nothing less from ISEE Hair Company. If you love this wig, I will go ahead and link it down below in my description box so you guys can check it out. But y'all, look how natural this looks. This is so natural looking. It blends so seamlessly with my natural hair, and the versatility of this wig is just unmatched. Like, updo style, down, whatever you want to do with it, you can definitely achieve it with these half wigs. That's why they are becoming my favorite. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
On things now, I'm working on them soul things now, forgiving all your old ways, but it's harder on the cold days.